Hi all, welcome to the session on SAP Quick Viewer. SAP Quick Viewer is a tool that's designed for users with little or no knowledge on the SAP programming language. If you want to generate a report out of multiple tables, joining them without writing any program, this tool can give quickly the data for you. It's very quick and easy to use tool for quick collection of data from SAP system. Basically, quick viewer is used to pull data for either reporting purpose or for testing purpose. I'll show you how easy it is to use quick viewer and pull reports. The transaction code is SQVI. It opens the screen of quick viewer. You can give a name for your quick viewer. Let me start Jade. I give this name. You can create. My first report using quick viewer. I can choose table join. I can use logical database, or I can use query info set. Info set I'll explain later. Logical database mostly used in HR like PNP, CE, PCH, or PAP. So we can use logical database. To demonstrate the simplicity, I'll be using two tables, joining two tables and reporting on top of it. Let me choose table join, layout mode. This option is to insert different tables that I will be connecting with. Let me take one table, PA0001. Let me take another table, PA0002. You can keep adding multiple tables. As soon as you create tables, SAP automatically propose the joining condition. So these two are HR tables. The key is employee number and is connected. If you want, you can also delete the joining conditions and you can change the joining conditions. From by default, the join will be inner join. If you want to change, you can right click and change to left outer join. Now I have selected two tables and I have connected them. Let me go to select the fields for input and the fields for output. This is the data fields. And you can see the data field, there are two sections. One is list fields. List fields are the fields that will be shown in your output list. Selection fields are the fields that will be part of your selection screen. If I select one field here, that will be an input field. If I select a field here, that will be an output field. That's simple. Let me go expand the table, take employee number as the selection field. I also want to show employee number in the output, so I'll show list field. Let me take some more fields. The employee group, I do not want input. I want to show in the list, means output. I can choose personal area, say company code, so whatever maybe you want to select. You want to show job of that employee, position of the employee, keep selecting. This another table, triple zero table. So here I have some other information also we can select. If you want to select the title, select and you select the date of birth, select gender. Okay, let me close this. So out in these two tables, they are connected through employee number, and I have selected 10 fields to show as output and only one field that will be shown as input. Input means selections field. On the selection screen, it will be shown. So we can give some values. Based on the value that we give, the output will be filtered. Save it. I'm done. I have selected the tables and worked on the joining condition, and I have chosen what field will be the input field and what field will be the output field. Now I'll test my query. Click on execute. You can see in the program selection, only one field, personal number, employee number is selected. If you do not give anything, then it will select all the employee number. Select list viewer to show in ALV grid. When we execute, it will ask like how many records, because ALV has a restriction like the limit, maximum limit. You can key in how many records you want to see. It was initially default 100. I have selected 1000. Let me show 1000 employee numbers details. You see, employee number. If we are asked to develop a report program for this, it could have taken some time, test it, and move the changes from development to quality to production for the user to use. But with the quick viewer, the client that we need on the same client, we can directly go and create the quick viewer report, and we can use it. To summarize, quick viewer a report we use if we do not have programming knowledge, or we need report very quickly for the reporting or testing purpose, and we want the report in the production system or testing system instead of creating a program and moving it. Quick viewer quickly helps you to view the data. Transaction code is SQVI. You can go add multiple tables. SAP proposes joining. You can change the joining also. You can select the fields that you want to show as output, list fields. You can choose the field that you want to show as input, selection fields, and you run the report. That's all about quick viewer. Thank you all.